Hello, my friends. Welcome to the Stamps of Life. I'm Stephanie Bernard, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Two are hot off the presses. In fact, I'm making samples for them right now. So what I'm doing is I'm just used my adhesive backing paper to make this a sticker, and I've taken the words, and you're going to find out what it says in just a second. I'm taking the shadow die that comes with it, and it is a gorgeous Merry Christmas. So if you need a new die set, this is Merry Christmas, I have one for you. Now, what if you want one that says Happy Holidays? Well, guess what? Dun, 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 dun. Again, I use my adhesive on the back because we don't want to have to put little adhesive tape runner on the back of that, right? And I'm going to lay this one down. Dun, 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 dun. And whoops, that one got a little extra piece in there. But here we have a Happy Holidays. So you get to pick or do both Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Now, I also have a brand new fold it to share with you today. And this one has been requested by so many people. In fact, Vanessa from my design team has been begging for it because, dun, 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 it is a coffee cup fold it. What do I mean by fold it? That means it's card size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2. Now you get to make cards out of a coffee cup. Look at this. Look at how fantastic these are. Isn't that fun? I love that. And I have lots of samples and I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Here's another sample. Oh, you could add a gift card to the inside if you want, to the outside if you wanted. Perfect Christmas gift, am I right? To a coffee place. Or here's another one with a gift card. Add the Santa face and you could do a little gift card in there. Perfect for the teachers or, the mail lady or the mailman or anybody that you want to get a little gift to, like a coffee gift. Because, 99% of the people out there in this world love coffee. I am not one. Did you know I've never had a sip of coffee in my life? Where was I born, right? Isn't that crazy? I know it's true, but it's crazy. You can also use our box it die. This is the regular size box it to make a cute little gift. Here's some coffee and here's a cute little K-cup. Isn't that fun? And you can just drop those in there and you have a little fun little gift. On the back it says celebrate the good stuff. Easy peasy. Now, how do you make a fold it? Well, I've taken old technology and I've added that to new technology. This was my idea. I came up with this. Now, what it means is we're going to grab a piece of paper. This is the hardest part. You have to fold this in half. Ah! I'm kidding. Right? Easy peasy. And I usually have my bone folder right here. What happened to my bone folder? Did somebody see? Oh, here it is. I was going to say, did somebody swipe it? And I'm just going to fold that down. And then I'm going to take this, so I have my fold right here. I'm going to take this now, it's old technology to put that fold on the inside of your die and run it through to know that that's going to make it a fold, right? The new technology that I came up with was on the back of the die, it says place fold here or place fold here. So now you know where to place the fold to get it to open up at the top or to open it up at the side. This one does better with it opened up at the top, just an FYI. You don't have to, but it works a little better, just looks a little better. We're gonna lay that down and we're gonna run this through. Now that's 2 layers of cardstock I'm running this through. So, run it through twice, just for kicks. And now, are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. We have our coffee cup card ready to decorate. Now it comes with other dies that you could easily add. It comes with a circle die in there. It comes with little pieces that you can mix and match. In fact, let's do it real quick because I want you to really see how awesome this is. So I peel this up. We're going to switch this out. Let's get a gingerbread or ginger snap. I think that's official name is. Ooh, and brown. Perfect. Now we can run these through twice. 2 at the same time because we don't have any score lines involved. So we're going to lay that down and we're just going to run that through. Just like that. Now it is 2 layers, so I'm going to run it back through. Do you have to? No, but it's just easier. We're going to run that back through. And now Oh, this is so fun. It comes in layers. So what it's going to do is it's still connected, but it's easy peasy for you to, and I got 2 sheets and here we go. It's easy peasy for you to piece this because I want you to be able to paper piece this. So it's going to kind of almost look like it's falling apart. But now what you're going to do, and you can use your little scissors to trim those little pieces. So we're just going to do a little trim there and a little trim here. So it's barely hanging on. That's on purpose, okay? I want you to know where those pieces go, and I want you to be able to piece this to different colors. So now I've dropped those in. Awesome. I'm going to grab my card. And we are going to add this piece there. We're going to add a darker color for the coffee itself. So we're just going to trim that. Trim that right there. You can also pull it apart if you want, if you're lazy. And let's grab this piece. Let's see, this one is a little bit stronger, so we're just going to trim that one. Trim this one. And we could have made the top a different color, but let's see, that one's sticky more. Okay, there we go. Pull. Okay, so now let's add some adhesive to this one. Right there. Let's bring that down a little, right there, because the lid's going to go right there. Okay, there. Then we're going to add this piece here. I'm going to add that piece right there. Look how fun this is. Easy peasy. And we're going to paper piece this together. Now we're going to add this piece here. You see it? You see it? Now, we could add a white top, or just for ease, we're going to do this one really quick. So we're just going to drop this one off. Now, I would probably do a white lid normally, just because, you know, aren't they usually white? How would I know? I've never had a to-go coffee before. But we're going to add adhesive to this one. Okay. And we're going to add adhesive to, look at this. Are you kidding me? Is this the coolest thing you've ever seen? Okay. Now we can even add that little piece in if we wanted to. We could add this piece in there. Let's peel that out. And we're going to add a little bit of adhesive to that. Make our table nice and icky. And look at how fun that is. Now we could even add, look how, whoops, that's crooked. That's going to bug me. Come on. There we go. Anyone can do this. Everyone can do this. This is easy. And now we're going to lay this down. Look at that. Now, for kicks, we're going to add this little circle. And we could add any little wording on here, but we're just going to cut it out really quick. Won't fit on there? Nope. Let's get a new piece. Oh, you know what? Where'd my scratch go? I had scratch paper, didn't I? Oh, here it is. I don't want to use a brand new piece, right? If we have that color already out. So we're going to grab this one. I think this is our blendable, our blending cardstock. It's not our regular cardstock. Okay, we're going to run that through. And now I have my little circle. And we're just going to add some adhesive to that. We should stamp on this, right? Stamp a little message. But look at this. Isn't that awesome? Now, we're going to open and close this. Let's get it open. There we go. We're going to open and close it. And I can stamp my message, add a little extra on there. So easy and so fun. Fold it. Every folded is card size, meaning 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. A2. So awesome. So fun. Go check it out at our website. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.